Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to my garage. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be installing this rear diffuser that I'm teasing right over here, so stick around if you want to catch that. Alright guys, so as you can see from the previous install videos, I've already installed the front splitter and the actual door cards from MKAH Motorsports. So if you want a link in the description to all the parts that I've received, check out the description below for each video. So I've always wanted to install a rear diffuser on this car since the day this car started running on the turbo setup. So right now I'm waiting for Eli from Ignition Tube to get here and then we'll get this install started. Finally put together. Thanks again to Eli for helping me assemble these 7 pieces together with the hardware provided and also taking some shots with the camera. So I'm really happy with how the product looks. I mean, the finish of this powder coating is just immaculate. So when I first bought the diffuser, I was a little bit concerned on how flexible the material would be, but now seeing this in person and bolting it up together, these fins are very, very rigid, and once this is bolted up to the car completely, I believe that this is going to provide some functional aerodynamics that is stable. I'm also excited to see how this compares to a non-M3 rear bumper, mainly because that's what I have. I've seen this diffuser applied to a lot of cars that only have that chrome lip on the bottom that extend it outwards a little bit to kind of complete the look, but I think this is going to add like a nice touch to the rear of my car. So I'm test fitting this diffuser right here with just like a lid of a box, and the car's aired out at the moment. But basically what I'm seeing is that there are 2 holes right here that I need to drill into either the bumper or the car to mount these hardware bolts in. But I just realized that I was excited originally to see how this would fit on a non-M3 style bumper, but based on the 2 bumpers side by side, the trim on the bottom here is different between the M3 and the non-M3. So the resolution is as simple as replacing this plastic piece right here with the M3 style one, but we're going to save that for another video just for time's sake and continue the install excluding those 2 bolts. Okay, so now we're gonna air the car out and then see what it looks like on the ground.
Dude, how many songs does this iPod hold?
A lot. Yes.
I've gone a little bit too much.
It's okay. Yo, this looks awesome. Yo.
Nice. Oh, that's gonna look nice. Once you have that M3 piece that you were talking about, that's gonna look
Oh yeah. So again, I had to remount the M3 valence piece onto the bumper so that I could attach it to these front holes on the rear diffuser. But other than that, this is complete and it's looking awesome. So if you guys like what you see, please hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks again to Eli. Please be sure to check out his channel as well, because there is some Turbo E36 content from the past, like when
way back.
Like, oh my god, like you guys definitely want to check that out if you guys haven't seen it.
That's back when Pawinning had a man bun.
Oh my god. That point. Anyways, we'll catch you guys in the next video where I'll be installing more parts from MKAH Motorsports. So thanks again to them. Peace out. Bye.